Hey guys, how's it going? Jake back with another quick little update to this project that we have going on here. Um, it is working beautifully, guys. It could not run any better, I don't think. We really made a lot of progress today, and it is totally ready to be presented tomorrow, and I am so happy. So I'm just gonna go ahead. We got some good shots here I recorded. Um, you can see a little better now. These pressure sensors are triggered by the wheels on the right side. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it, and you guys can see how it's going. See, it stops on position 2 here. It goes ahead in water. We take all the hydro sensors out because, after you run it a bunch of times, the soil is just soaking wet at this point. So it reads all of these as dry because there's no sensors in. As soon as he puts them in, it stops and moves to its next target, which in this case is the home position. So that's exactly what it's supposed to do. It thinks that they're all wet, so it's just chilling here. And then it goes to the third one after he takes them out. Beautiful. Just how it's supposed to. So then I believe it's going to show a little bit of a bug that we were having. Yeah, so see how it's going to... Oh. Never mind, guys. So here we go, kind of from an aerial view I got. Moves into position. As soon as he puts them in, it stops. So obviously in an ideal situation, you would have a plant in here that's constantly drinking the water. So you wouldn't be taking these in and out. It would actually just get dry. It would get dry because it was reading these sensors, and the plant was, or it would get dry because the plant was absorbing the moisture in the soil, and then it would come and water it for it. Right now it is trying really hard to find position 1. There we go. Might move itself forward, yep. And put the stakes in. Take this one out, and it says, hey, 2 needs some water. Probably gonna move a little forward, position itself, puts them back in. Done. Goes back to home position. It's beautiful. Very happy. So this is a little bug that we were having where it wasn't finding the home position very well. But yeah, guys, I just want to update you guys on that. We can look through the code real quick. I didn't spend a lot of time on the code. Somebody else did the majority of this, so I'm not going to take any credit for it. So if we go, here's the moisture sensor code. Excuse me. The weight sensor code. So you can see where all the hydros are. These are all the different moisture sensors. The minimum. Where is the minimum set? The minimum might actually be set later on. Minimum moisture level. Where does she set that at? Where did she set minimum moisture level? Oh, right here. So 500 out of 1023. So like I explained in the first video, you get a value from 1023 on these hydro sensor or these moisture sensors, and what that is it's a high or low resistance. So if there's a high resistance, that means that there's not a lot of water for the electricity to be conducted by, which means it needs water. If it's a really low resistance, then, so this really should say like maximum moisture level or something. It makes sense, but so yeah, so then it averages the 2 that are in the pot and compares them. We have it set to print so we can see what it's seeing. So you can see here, because of how these if statements are set up, it prioritizes pot number 2, and then it sends this request. This is really good code. She did a great job on this. I'm not going to say who it is for privacy reasons, obviously, but she did a great job. I'm not going to take credit for any of this code because she wrote pretty much all of it, and by pretty much I mean literally all of it. Here is the weight sensors. Obviously it's pretty basic. She set a minimum force that needed to be triggered. So like if it hit position 0, then there should be like a 500 force reading, and then that would tell the program that the vehicle was on that position. Yeah, this is just, it's overall very good. Which then all of it communicates back to this one, which then also has 2 more high moisture sensors set up to it. And sorry, I get really nervous when I try and explain things for some reason, but this one actually has 2 other moisture sensors for the last pot. It also prioritizes this 3rd pot over the other 2 because it's the farthest distance away. You can see where the motor is activated, positioning, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I just want to update you guys on that. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you're new. Peace.